初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
我想开一个账户。
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
What do I need to bring?
What do I need to bring?
我需要带什么？
What do I need to bring?
What do I need to bring?
I need a debit card.
I need a debit card.
我需要一张借记卡。
I need a debit card.
I need a debit card.
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
我可以开一个储蓄账户吗？
Can I open a savings account?
Can I open a savings account?
I lost my bank card.
I lost my bank card.
我弄丢了银行卡。
I lost my bank card.
I lost my bank card.
How do I reset my PIN?
How do I reset my PIN?
如何重置我的密码？
How do I reset my PIN?
How do I reset my PIN?
What are your service hours?
What are your service hours?
你们的服务时间是什么时候？
What are your service hours?
What are your service hours?
Is there a monthly fee?
Is there a monthly fee?
有月费吗？
Is there a monthly fee?
Is there a monthly fee?
Do you have online banking?
Do you have online banking?
你们有网上银行吗？
Do you have online banking?
Do you have online banking?
I need to update my info.
I need to update my info.
我需要更新我的信息。
I need to update my info.
I need to update my info.
I'd like to withdraw cash.
I'd like to withdraw cash.
我想取现金。
I'd like to withdraw cash.
I'd like to withdraw cash.
Please deposit this money.
Please deposit this money.
请存入这笔钱。
Please deposit this money.
Please deposit this money.
I want small bills.
I want small bills.
我想要小额钞票。
I want small bills.
I want small bills.
Where is the ATM machine?
Where is the ATM machine?
ATM 机在哪里？
Where is the ATM machine?
Where is the ATM machine?
Can I use this card here?
Can I use this card here?
我可以在这里用这张卡吗？
Can I use this card here?
Can I use this card here?
I forgot my PIN code.
I forgot my PIN code.
我忘记了密码。
I forgot my PIN code.
I forgot my PIN code.
My card isn't working.
My card isn't working.
我的卡不能用。
My card isn't working.
My card isn't working.
This ATM took my card.
This ATM took my card.
这台 ATM 机吞了我的卡。
This ATM took my card.
This ATM took my card.
How much can I withdraw?
How much can I withdraw?
我可以取多少钱？
How much can I withdraw?
How much can I withdraw?
Is there a withdrawal limit?
Is there a withdrawal limit?
有取款限额吗？
Is there a withdrawal limit?
Is there a withdrawal limit?
I want to transfer money.
I want to transfer money.
我想转账。
I want to transfer money.
I want to transfer money.
What's the recipient's name?
What's the recipient's name?
收款人叫什么名字？
What's the recipient's name?
What's the recipient's name?
Is there a service fee?
Is there a service fee?
有服务费吗？
Is there a service fee?
Is there a service fee?
I need to send it today.
I need to send it today.
我今天需要寄出。
I need to send it today.
I need to send it today.
Can I send it internationally?
Can I send it internationally?
我可以国际转账吗？
Can I send it internationally?
Can I send it internationally?
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
需要多长时间？
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
I sent money by mistake.
I sent money by mistake.
我误转了钱。
I sent money by mistake.
I sent money by mistake.
Can I cancel the transfer?
Can I cancel the transfer?
我可以取消转账吗？
Can I cancel the transfer?
Can I cancel the transfer?
I need a transaction receipt.
I need a transaction receipt.
我需要一张交易收据。
I need a transaction receipt.
I need a transaction receipt.
Please check the details again.
Please check the details again.
请再核对一下细节。
Please check the details again.
Please check the details again.
I lost my online access.
I lost my online access.
我丢失了网上银行访问权限。
I lost my online access.
I lost my online access.
My account is locked.
My account is locked.
我的账户被锁定了。
My account is locked.
My account is locked.
Someone used my card.
Someone used my card.
有人用了我的卡。
Someone used my card.
Someone used my card.
I didn't make this payment.
I didn't make this payment.
我没有进行这笔支付。
I didn't make this payment.
I didn't make this payment.
Please block my account.
Please block my account.
请冻结我的账户。
Please block my account.
Please block my account.
I'd like to speak to someone.
I'd like to speak to someone.
我想和某人谈谈。
I'd like to speak to someone.
I'd like to speak to someone.
This fee is incorrect.
This fee is incorrect.
这笔费用不正确。
This fee is incorrect.
This fee is incorrect.
Where can I file a complaint?
Where can I file a complaint?
我可以在哪里投诉？
Where can I file a complaint?
Where can I file a complaint?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
That's all for today.
That's all for today.
今天就到这里。
That's all for today.
That's all for today.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。